Hello everyone, and today we're doing a very quick comparison between Veo 3 and Veo 2. Google Veo 3 and Veo 2. If you have used Veo 2 before, Veo 3 will feel like a serious upgrade, and here is how they differ. One of the most exciting upgrades is the addition of native audio generation. Veo 3 can now produce synchronized music, sound effects, and even multi-character dialogue directly from your prompt, turning silent clips into full audiovisual experiences. Visually, Veo 3 offers more realism, with lighting, physics, and motion more accurately executed, which results in scenes that look and feel much more realistic. Prompt fidelity has also been greatly enhanced so that there can be a closer alignment between your words and the end results, even when prompts involve intricate instructions on lighting, style, and action. Whereas Veo 2 provided mere basic editing features, Veo 3 will come with advanced editing features, allowing users further control over their video content. And regarding resolution, Veo 3 is capable of high-definition 4K output, whereas Veo 2 was stock as standard HD. In short, Veo 3 not only improved upon its predecessor, but it entirely redefined possibility in AI video generation. Hope you found this video helpful.